Ayutthaya, Thailand's ancient capital city and a very popular day trip from Bangkok. But is it really worth the hype, or is it just another set of temples? In this video, we're doing a DIY budget tour from Bangkok, giving you an honest review on all this city has to offer.
Seat number 6. Here. Kathmandu.
We booked the 7:30 train through 12 Go Asia, which was $2 per person. It was really easy to find the platform, and lots of friendly locals nudged us in the right direction. Gaz has got his usual breakfast, which is a 7-Eleven cheese toastie. We are heading to go get a moped. We were umming and ahhing between push bike and moped because a lot of people get bikes, but we're thinking we want to see as much as possible in today, so we thought moped. We haven't been on one in Bangkok, so
scooter. That's what it's called, isn't it?
Sorry, scooter. We want to feel the wind in our hair, and yeah, and then head into the historical centre.
Yeah, the historical centre of Ayutthaya.
Alright, we found a parking space. We filmed not 1 inch of that journey because we were quite surprised when we arrived. I don't know what we thought in our head, but we expected, because it's the old capital, for it to not be a working city. It's actually like a main...
It was like really busy. We had to go over like a flyover.
Yeah, it was very busy, so to hop on a bike after 6 months and then navigate that, we were just focusing on being safe. Anyway, as you turn into the old centre, there is literally ruins everywhere.
What's it called? Like the historical centre of Ayutthaya, yeah.
Yeah, once you turn into here, literally they're everywhere, so it's just deciding which one you want to look at first. I think we're going to go to one of the main ones first and check that out, and then obviously we'll see what else we come across. Welcome to Ayutthaya. Founded in 1350, Ayutthaya flourished as the capital of the Siamese kingdom for over 4 centuries. It was a powerful trading hub and a centre of cultural exchange, blending Thai, Khmer and Chinese influences. Sadly, Ayutthaya fell to the Burmese in 1767, leaving behind a legacy of resilience and a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Cool, so the first stop of the day is Wat Pralam. It looks pretty epic, doesn't it? So yeah, let's go in. We're actually the first people of the day. The lady said there's absolutely nobody here in Ayutthaya. How mental is that?
Yeah, it's pretty lucky actually. I'm sure there'll be loads of tours later.
I actually can't believe we've got this whole temple to ourselves. It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you actually think about it, this is one of the most popular temples here, and we're the first people of the day in.
Winning at life.
That's what you get for booking the 7 AM train.
It keeps going, it keeps going.
I will not stop speaking. Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa. This is actually sick.
So we got the temple package ticket, which is 220 baht for the 6 most popular temples, and it would be 50 baht per temple if you didn't get the ticket, so you're getting a saving of 80 baht if you get them all together, so that works well for us. We wanted to see those top 6 temples. So that is actually a pond full of lily pads, but you couldn't tell, it literally looks like ground.
Would definitely rate this temple. It's absolutely sick. So next I'm going to find a toilet because I had a fruit smoothie and we've only been in Asia for two days, so if you know, you know. And then we'll go to the next temple. Abby's joke, but look, even the pavement here is like ancient ruins. Oh wow. They're all pretty wow actually, aren't they? This one, I'm going to be butchering the pronunciation, is Wat Si Samphit. And it looks like it's said Si Samphit, but she said Si Samphit.
The name of the temple means the Temple of Holy, Splendid and Omniscient, and it is one of the grandest temples here. It literally looks unreal, and they're huge spires, 3 main spires for you to walk around and take in. They're probably not called spires, but you know what I mean, to take in as you walk around, so pretty unreal. I feel like we're going to be saying wow all day today.
Yeah, it's hard to put into words how like good it actually looks here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's literally more than I imagined when I arrived. So can you hear that? Bit of traditional Thai kind of music, which really adds to the feel of these temples when you're walking around. Once a royal monastery, this temple served as the spiritual heart of the ancient capital. It also served as a model for the Grand Palace and Temple of the Emerald Buddha in Bangkok.
So what's really cool about this place here is right next to the ancient temples of Ayutthaya and the ruins, you've got this really, really good looking modern temple. We've seen a lot of temples, but this is a particularly good looking temple, I'd say.
Yeah, it looks nice, doesn't it?
Looks stunning. I wonder if our ticket's going to let us in.
Yeah.
Let's go and see.
So that last one had a humongous gold Buddha in it, and it was still a practicing temple. So people were there making offerings in there. So we just had a quick little walk around. Very, very beautiful.
It was also, that one was also free to get in, I think, but you could put a donation in the box, which we obviously did.
Yeah. One thing I have to say, guys, is just don't do this. In what right mind would you want to do that? Back on the bike, because the thought of a 10-minute walk in this heat is just too much, isn't it?
Yeah, the first three temples were so close together, but the next one, about a 20-minute walk away for the next two that are together, so I think we'll drive there, won't we?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next temple on the list is Wat Ratcha Buwana, see, said it perfectly, which is known as a mini Angkor Wat. And what's really cool about this one is you can actually climb up the side of it and go inside it. I think we're going to do that now, aren't we?
Yeah. Wat Ratcha Buwana is one of the must-visit Buddhist temples in the historical park of Ayutthaya and is known as the Temple of Restoration. It was built in 1424 to commemorate the death of two royal brothers who tried to fight each other to die for the throne.
Whoa, this is cool. Scary. As we all know, I'm a bit shaky with heights, so those steps aren't for the faint-hearted. There's actually a load of bats in here.
It does smell like urine, I have to say though.
Yeah. It's cool to be able to go into one. I'm going to quickly run to the thing I can grab onto. Oh god, it does smell like piss, doesn't it? Like really, really, someone has took a wee in here. Whoa. Well, this is freaking me out a bit. It's cool though. Whoa.
Wee heights.
So I would definitely say that this is my favourite temple so far, because you get to climb up all the way to the top, and now we're kind of walking all the way around on the mid-level and soaking up the views. So yeah, this temple is très bien. So we've worked out a way to cool Abby down. Ice cold Fanta to the head and then occasionally a little bath. So next on the temple tour is Wat Mahaphat, which is known for the Buddha exposed head with the roots overgrowing it. Really famous photo. And I think, judging by the queue of people that's around there.
Yeah.
Yeah, Wat Mahaphat.
There we have it, guys, the Buddha head in the tree. For those of you that don't know, in Thai culture, or Buddhist religion actually, you should never take any photos of your head above the Buddha, as it's very disrespectful. So to take a picture with the Buddha, you've got to be crouched on the floor. It's a pretty cool thing to look at, and now we're going to look at the
I thought it would be bigger though.
I did think it would be bigger,
It looks bigger in the photos.
It does look bigger in the photos, yeah. But there's
still worth a visit.
There's loads of ruins here and more to see, so we're going to have a quick walk around here, but we are very hot and very hungry now, so we'll go and try some of the famous boat noodles after this. Okay, we've stopped at a little cafe just off the road. There's loads of Thai places you can get food at. We're going to grab some pad thais, because I'm not even joking, walking around 5 temples, even though we came so early in the morning, absolutely takes it out of you in this heat. It's mental. So we're just sitting here to recharge our batteries a little bit, but the temples have been truly breathtaking, better than I ever expected when we arrived, so we're having a really good day. Nothing beats a good pad thai for lunch. It's very touristy Thai food, but we are tourists and we enjoy it.
That fan wall on here. This restaurant here is in the Michelin Guide for best restaurants, and it specialises in noodle soup. So the lady came over and was like, do you want pork or beef? So I've gone for the pork noodle soup. So excited to try this. Meant to be the best place to get noodles in Ayutthaya.
Boat noodles.
boat noodles.
And the reason why it's called boat noodle soup is a reference to all of the people that used to sell lunch off of their boats back in the olden days. Well, they probably still do it now, but anyway, it's got the nickname boat noodle soup.
I'm not actually sure what's in it.
I think it's dark soy sauce. It's meant to have a strong, intense flavour.
And what's these circle things? Look.
They're like meatballs.
Oh, nice. It does taste very flavoursome, very strong.
It's like a proper conveyor belt as well, how they're cooking it, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a very like strong, musky flavour to it. Ooh, yeah.
I tactically missed out the fact that it contains pig's blood in the broth, so Gaz would try it.
So we've just at the station now waiting for our train back, which only costs 30 baht, which is absolutely nothing. It's so easy to kind of do it yourself, get here, drive yourself around to Ayutthaya, and we would definitely recommend it. We've had a bloody great day, haven't we?
Yeah, and it's much cheaper as well doing it yourself, so don't be put off basically. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!